This is like $1 million product right here. Oh my god, thank god I found this. Welcome everyone to this brand new video, and today we're going to get into it by looking at a way to find trending products that are really recent, doing really well for other brands in a very, very simple format. Now, we're going to get into it. We're going to show you exactly in this video how you can find a product with just a couple clicks of a button to find a 6 to 7 figure winning product already proven for someone else. How good is that, right? Now, I need to be upfront and clear with you guys from the start. So the actual site that I'm using today is called Droppoint, and the reason why I'm using it is because for a while, you may, if you're in the dropshipping industry, you may have heard just loads of different sites very similar to things like AdSpy, Drop Spy, and all these different sites as well. And what they do is they'll look at, Facebook ads that are already proven around products, and they scrape all the data to then be used in a certain algorithm to allow dropshippers to find trending products. Okay, so when you actually go on these sites, sometimes there can be high subscription fees and everything else like that. And I'm not too fussed about paying money. It's not a big thing. It's just to try and find the best valued actual site for everyone to be able to use. People that are starting out, people that have made 6-7 figures. Like literally the clients that we work with and the people that we work with, they're all very happy with this site, which is great, and we are also happy with the site. So the site is called Droppoint, as I've mentioned, and you can find the link to it in the link below. It's $5 a month or something like that. It's stupid. You ain't it back in literally one sale. So it's to be able to have this knowledge at a click of a button. But the best site I found with the best features and filters and everything. So we're gonna get into the best after looking at what other people do. So I've not just based on my own research. I've looked at what other people are doing just to try and create the best filters to be able to find the best trending products. Okay, so we're gonna get into it right now. So once you've found Droppoint, you've went onto the site, you've probably bought from it, anything, whatever you've done with it basically. If you bought it, however you actually decided to do it. Once you've found and got into Droppoint, you'll have to install you'll have to install a little plugin called DP Analyzer or something, which helps to actually find. To be honest, not too sure what it does, but I just was like, you have to install it to use it. So you've just got to install it to use it, this feature for some reason. But once you've installed it, you'll be able to use it properly, right? Now, before I get into the actual settings as well, doesn't matter if you started dropshipping, if you've never started dropshipping in the past, doesn't matter if you're both these types of people, if you're one or the other, doesn't matter who you are. We're running a free training showing you how you can optimize and scale up your e-commerce results, which in a very simple format as well, which is amazing. To be able to do it in an hour, 2-hour free training that we're doing, it's absolutely brilliant. So this is happening. The next one is happening, so this video goes out 28th of June. The next one's happening on Wednesday, the 30th of June at 8 p.m. UK time. You can look in the bio below, the description below. You can find the link to that. Click on it and you'll be able to register for a free training showing you how to actually scale your results 5 to 10 times better than ever before. So that's also there as well. It'll be running every 2 weeks. So you can just click on that link, you can sign up and you'll find when the next class is. And it's free classes. So there you go. This can show you how to take this step right here. So this is one of the reasons why I mentioned that little free training. Showing you, it doesn't matter if you started it or not, we show you in this free training how to take one product, find a trending product and take that and literally be able to scale it up to a massive business. So, get into it right now. This site works perfectly with what we teach in that free class as well. So just a little knowledge for you. Let's get into the actual filters and how it works. Okay, so I don't want to be wasting too much time, just want to be helping you. So what I'm doing in this little tactic here is on the right hand side of the screen, you can see all the tactics, everything you can use. What I do is I'll type in the niche that I want to find a product for. So let's say I want to find a facial care product or something like that, because I've got some sort of facial care dropshipping site on the side. So let's say I want to find facial care products. Okay, you just type in the keyword. You can obviously type in the page name, and you can do the add country as well. But it's best to just do it worldwide. This is only great for if you want to use like you want to find products from a certain page or anything like that. So you can find all the ads there. However, let's get into the actual how to do everything. Now, there is just a couple ways to do this, which I found really benefit me. Is I leave the order by value, and I go to order by ratio instead. Now, what you need to do is you need to click on the low views with high shares. Low views, high shares, okay? And once you've done that, all you've got to do is scroll down and go to videos only. If you want to find an image only ad, which you can do that. But right now, we're just trying to find video ads. They're working the best for me, so that's what we're doing. And then we want to do limit last seen and seen in this year. Now, you can either change that between ad seen in this year or ad seen in this month. Ad seen in this year gives you a broader range of products that are working recently, whereas ad seen in this month can give you really brand new products which are doing well for people already. So, once you've clicked that, you want to come all the way down to limit views amount. And what works best for trending products, at least, is a minimum result of views for 500,000 and a maximum of 2 million. And then you just filter. And this finds you all the products. You just go, wait a minute, scrapes all the Facebook ad library. It's brilliant. Amazing. So, no ads found matching your search. Okay, so it's probably the keyword then. So what we can do is we'll just use makeup, right? Makeup filter. If makeup doesn't work, then we're going to go into acne. So sort of find like what could make acne better and everything else like that. So this is my process of finding a trending product right now for the store that I'm currently working on. Brilliant. Straight away you can see that there is a couple of ads that people are using. Now, we're going to go through all of these and try and find the best one. So what you do is you just click on the ad, and it gives you a link to all the ads that they're actually doing. So these people, this site called Waterfish, they're doing everything differently, and it's make your makeup transfer proof with the breathing bracket. No idea, no idea what it is, but we'll have a look at what it is right now. This is why this is perfect. Okay, it's not available, so you just go on to this one instead. Not available, so for some reason these not available, so you just gotta find the ones that are available. Has the page been taken down? Yeah, the page has probably been taken down, and it's just not been updated, so it might not be the best winning product. So we'll leave that one for now and look at this one. So this is what it's trying to say: face mask in a support frame. Maybe it's this. Oh, okay, so it's for face mask. So it's a pandemic related one. I don't think I'd use that one personally, but it seems like a good product for if anyone actually wants to find it. So what it does, you put, so you put it on your face so there's more space for breathing in your mask, and it also protects your makeup because people have a problem with the mask getting, well, girls have, or anyone who wears makeup, it could be actors, could be anyone, it doesn't matter about who it is, but anyone who wears like a mask gives some space, doesn't mess up the makeup. Perfect. But this is exactly, you know what? I'm exactly trying to find a product just like this, makeup table cabinet, right? So all you gotta do is click on it, click on the link. It will then show you the person's website. You can have a look at the store. You can have a look at everything that's working well for them. Oh, great! It's a great ad, that, to be fair. Close that. Wow, that's a great ad actually. Now let's see how much it is. Seems like it's not working. Site can't be reached, so the site's down for some reason, so we'll leave that one. But yeah, you just go through, you try and find just different little things that can help you. There's this LED ring light, I know that works really well. Let's have a look. Magic Vac sucks out all. Magic Vac Pore Purifier. Okay, so let's have a look at this. If people are doing really well with these, let me say, basic ads. Do you know what I mean? Looks like a really basic ad, and that's not like any offense towards the ad or anything. It just looks like a really, yeah. So it's just the video views that they're doing really well for. So this is the ad copy. Oh, it's one of them blackhead removers, yeah. So yeah, those blackhead removers are still working well. I don't know if these are old school dropshippers, but you know, if you know that'll, I hate these little things as well that always pop up. I'll not turn off my notification. Okay, so yeah, you basically get the gist. You get the gist of the whole entire video and where I'm trying to go. I was just trying to find a little product for myself, so I was just kind of going through. But you get everything that you have to do. This is very, very simple. Apply this knowledge with the free knowledge that we're actually teaching, and you can make a bunch of sales from it. So yeah, have a little play around with this tool. The link for this is in the description below, and also let me know what other videos you'd like us to do, and we'll do them for you, because we're all about helping you. We're all about making you just a little goddess or god at making money online. So yeah, let us know what you actually want some help on in the comments below. And yeah, thank you all for watching, and subscribe as well for more e-commerce and money making online content. And I will see you later.